So hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look into the question of what do or what does your person think about you, their current feelings and emotions for you. Okay, it's going to be a timeless reading. Okay, but this reading will only be connecting with people who are already into a relationship, they are committed to someone. It will not be for people who are looking for what are their current feelings and thoughts of their crush or in their situationship. Okay, it won't be for people who are single as well. It is specifically for people who are committed in a relationship or at least in a talking stage with someone. Then only it will resonate with you. So keep that in mind and then only go ahead and watch the video. Okay, so there are going to be two different piles. Okay, pile number one is going to be the angel number 555 and pile number two is going to be the angel number, it will be 999. Okay, so whichever calls to you, accordingly you can choose the pile. The timestamps are going to be there in the description box below, and if you feel something resonated with you, please definitely let me know in the comment section. It does boost my you can say my courage, my confidence. Okay, so do that. Okay, so we're going to be starting with pile number one. We've chosen 555. What are their thoughts and feelings? What are a person's thoughts and feelings currently for you? What do they want you to know, or something that universe wants you to know regarding this situation? Okay, let's just set an intention and let's see what are their current thoughts and feelings for you. Pile number one. The person is still not able to understand certain arguments or situations. There are conflicting situations between you. If you have conflicting situations, you're not able to come onto the same page, then why are these conflicts happening? The person is not able to understand that aspect, and the person is constantly thinking about it. Can we figure out a solution? Can we come to a common ground? Okay, the person is really stressed about why there is so much of issue and challenges between both of you, and there is a miscommunication, or you're not able to communicate clearly, or your person is ready to communicate and put forth, but at the same time is really fearful about to put themselves completely out there in front of you. There is something that's stopping him or her to come towards you. Okay, and that is somewhere down the line the person is not able to trust you. Okay, the person is thinking that will this person be there when I open up? Will this person be understanding enough? Okay, I definitely feel that the person is stressed about your connection, about how to go about it. If you are into a situation जहाँ पर decisions लेने हैं, choices करने हैं, you have to take decisions recently, okay, or you have to instantly take it. There is no wait, you cannot wait to make certain decisions. अगर ऐसा कुछ situation है, then the person is also stressed, and the person is right now being distanced, taking few steps back so that they don't have to come up, they don't have to show you, because certainly I feel like the person wants to say a lot of things, but then the person feels that if he or she opens up their mouth, they might ruin the connection. They might not just be able to save the connection. Okay, the person somewhere feels really helpless. कि मैं क्या करूं? What can I do in this situation? Even if I'm doing everything, still things are not working out. Okay, let's dig a little deeper. That why is the person feeling the way it's feeling? See, if you ask me, is there love? Is there feelings involved? 100% they are. They often think about you. They often think about you while going to the bed. Okay, when they're done with their whole work, their responsibilities, you come into their mind and definitely they ponder upon the situation कि कैसे हम इसको लाइट कर सकते हैं, एटलीस्ट जो इतना हैवी फील हो रहा है currently between both of you, हम लाइट कैसे फील कर सकते हैं. The person is feeling this way, the devil. There is something that is very karmic in both of you. Okay, either both of you are connecting because of a karmic connection that you hold. Karmic connection basically means karmic contract. Karmas already needs to be exchanged, and this is something that we have already decided and come upon when we were born here on earth. Okay, so ये karmic in nature है. So there are certain lessons that you both will have to learn, and then it might be ending. Okay, if you are just into the initial stage of the relationships, it might or may not resonate this completely, but it is a karmic relationship that both of you are sharing recently. Why is this situation happening? The devil. Let's clarify the devil more. Okay, why is this confusion? Why this person is feeling the way they're feeling? They really feel that you're not showing something to them. You're not talking about something. You're keeping something within yourself. Okay, they feel उसके वजह से they are also feeling that there's some misalignment. कुछ चीज है जो रोक रही है, कुछ चीज है जो हमें allow नहीं कर रही है to go ahead. Okay, they feel it, they literally feel it that you're hiding something, you're not expressing themselves, you're not fully keeping things on the table. Okay, you're putting only 60%, 40% is still everything within you, and that is giving them an ick basically. Okay, let's see why is this person feeling the way they're feeling. Okay, 5 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles, the person feels that you might leave them. The person is feeling that you might leave them, or something might happen and because of which it needs to end. Either the families will not come together, it could be cultural differences, it could be financial differences, but there is something and the person is feeling this. These are the current thoughts and emotions of your person. Okay, there is something weird about this. Okay, when I see the devil, okay, what does else universe wants us to know about the situation? Pile number one, their person's current thoughts and feelings towards them. Okay, the person is feeling there is some external things. Okay, there are certain external situations which are not allowing you both to come together, and the person also acknowledges that, and somewhere you also know it intuitively, and person is feeling really fearful to lose the connection with you. Okay, I asked the second question, what are the next actions of your person regarding you? The person is going to definitely come in for confrontation, and I see this ending into separation, or both of you going ending the situation. Okay, but I'll still pick up an advice for you guys. Okay, let's see what does universe wants you to know in the situation. Advice for pile number one who are connecting with 555. What is the advice for them in the situation they are currently in, universe? See, it's a very simple thing. If you want the connection to go ahead and prosper, yes, it can go ahead, but you will need to show your courage and you will need to come forth and speak up your emotions, express yourself and not hold yourself back. Okay, this is a very beautiful connection. If you think that will it go ahead, can we do something about it, yes you can do, but the stakes are also in your hand. It cannot move only if one person is putting in the effort and one person is the only one who's continuously driving, right? There has to be somewhere a match that needs to happen. Effort needs to be put in and it can work. Okay, but you need to do what needs to be done, which you're not doing currently. Okay, the person really feels that you need to put in the work, you need to put in the action for this to work if you want this to work. Okay, otherwise universe wants you to know that if you are somebody who's deciding to move on, deciding to go away, then that is also completely fine. You will find somebody else definitely in the future, and you can work on your purpose, on your career, on your finances, and friends will help you to get over the issue that you're getting over. Okay, that's the guidance for pile number one who have chosen 555. These are the current feelings and emotions of your person. If you feel connected, then do let me know in the comment section. And now we'll move towards pile number two who have chosen 999. What are their person's current thoughts and feelings regarding you? Okay, let's see what are their current thoughts and feelings towards you for pile number two. People who've chosen 999. Current thoughts and okay. Okay. The person does think a lot about you. That's the first thing. They often think about you. They often think about how are you and what do you do, and genuinely care about you a lot. They often think and observe your behaviors, your patterns, your habits, and they often think that why this person is being the way they are. Okay, they have a lot of care and concern for you. Okay, the current thoughts and feelings are that they really admire the kind of effort and energy that you're putting in your career space. Okay, they see the kind of effort that you're putting in to become successful, become financially stable or financially free. Okay, they also see that you really have a very business oriented mind. You will be a great nurturer. Okay, that is also something that person often thinks about, that when you come together, when you be together, how amazing it would be to see you as being a mother. Okay, that is one of the aspects that I'm connecting with for pile number two. They definitely see that, and they want to tell you that your success is something that is really important to them. Okay, so do not doubt yourself, or do not put yourself into situations where people do not respect you, do not value you. Okay, you really do not need to put yourself in those situations. And if you are, remove yourself from those people, those situations where your person is seeing that you're getting a little bit disrespected, you're getting disvalued, and because of that you are questioning your own worth. Will I be able to do this? Am I going to be able to achieve these things? And this is something that person wants you to know, that listen, it's just you who gets to decide what you can do and what you cannot do. So do not let that control get out of your hand. Okay. And that is something that the person really wants you to know. The person also wants you to know, and his current thoughts and feelings are that they also often feel that you don't give them enough time. Okay, you don't give them enough space, enough time, because you're very career oriented, you're very busy, you're very kept to the mind. They also see that there are certain amounts of fears or insecurities regarding your career that you're experiencing right now in your present moment, and they definitely see that, but they don't talk about it loudly, because sometimes they feel that they might touch those aspects which you are insecure about, and that insecurity might go a little bit more higher than what it is right now. So they don't want you to make you feel insecure. Even in spite, from a little bit of distance, they are still observing that, they're still seeing that. Okay. I definitely see that the person still wants you to take out more time and have some good emotionally deep conversations with you, because the person is one of those categories where they're not just practical and logical, but they are thing. I also see the person is open. His own femininity aspect is very open, and that is something that will help you to heal yourself in certain aspects. Okay, let's see more. Okay, what does this person think about you currently? Your person, what are their thoughts? They just don't want you to doubt yourself. Okay, they want you to just keep going ahead and going ahead and just grow. And even if you're doubting, then just know that that is coming from a place of your inner childhood wounds. Okay, where there were situations when you were a child, during your schooling years or college years, where you had certain experiences where people around you made you believe that you're not good enough, or you don't have the capacity, you don't have the capabilities, you don't have the charisma, you don't have the caliber within yourself. But that's not true. The person sees you something that you don't see in yourself, and they really really admire that quality about you. Okay, so that is one thing that's also coming in. Okay, they also want to tell you that often the reason why you get stuck, often the reason why you get bored, often the reason why you get out of your creative side is because you yourself put yourself into a situation of doubt, indecision, and hence you're not able to take the next actions which you're actually meant to take. So remove that from your system. Okay, when I'm even picking up this energy, you imagine the person is so invested, which is great. So good, pile number two, good choice. Okay, what is the current feelings and thoughts? Nine of Cups and Page of Pentacles. The person really wants to nurture you. They want to take out time often weekly, or twice a week or thrice a week, to communicate to you, to spend some time with you. They really feel like your energy allows them to be just free from thoughts, free from responsibilities, free from judgment. You give that energy of freedom. Your presence gives that energy of freedom to your person. Your person also feels that you help them be grounded, humble, and centered. Your energy, your presence does that for them. Your energy aligns, makes their mind aligned enough so that they can take the right decisions in the aspect of finances, in the aspect of career. Okay, so it's a very good energy. What are the next actions of the person? A person will definitely want to spend some good quality time, and that will be initiated from their side, that you know what, let's meet, let's go out, let's talk. Some initiation will happening. Okay, the person is going through certain amount of ending of cycles in their life, your person, and is emotionally releasing a lot of um, unheard, unfelt, unsaid, unseen emotions from their life. Okay, with certain people. um, and what are the next actions the person will be taking? The person will be definitely want to meet and everything, but at the same time the person will also take some quality time and just be with themselves, some time only with themselves, and not engage so much the way they are doing right now. Okay, but before I end, let's take out some advice of file number 2, who've chosen 999. What does your person in the situation, in this connection, what does universe wants you to know? It is very, very good. Okay, it's very stable, it's very enriching, it's very real, and yes, it might not be so much more, but it's a good way to begin with. Even the small gestures, even the small calls, the little things is something that's going to fill your heart again and heal you. Okay, and heal the trauma that you've been carrying from your childhood. Little things. If you still have some questions regarding the person's character or everything, just observe the little things that the person is investing in you, and you will get your answers. Okay, and the advice for this connection for you is go slow. You cannot expect this person to be fully in, because the person is coming out of the situation. Okay, for you, if you're carrying burden, okay, this burden could be in the aspect of, okay, this is clear. Okay, I'm picking up couple of things, not only the connection, but in general for you as an advice. So just listen to that. If you are planning to learn something in your career space, okay, in your or if you want to learn a new skill, a new course, you want to enroll yourself into that, go ahead for that. It's a good time to put and invest your time into studying something, or reading books in general to expand your knowledge is really necessary, and you can go ahead for that. If you have insecurities about your finances and how you're going to earn your finances, how you're going to go ahead with it, the universe wants you to know that yes, finances will take time. From now also, let's say roughly 7 weeks, which is 2 months. After 2 months, you will see the fruits of your labor. But till then, you will do not have to just sit and wait, but put in the work and you will get it. And lastly, if you've been carrying any amount of burden or any amount of responsibilities, certain responsibilities are fine, okay, but these are unnecessary ones which you're constantly carrying. And even the thought process of, will I be able to make money, will I be secure enough, will I be able to do that, it's becoming certainly a burden for you guys. So you have to remove that consciously from your mind. Okay, because that is also one of the burdens that you're creating in your mental space, and now it's affecting your physical health, and then you get drained and you do not have the energy to do more work. Okay, so character building, mindset building, coming out of the victim mindset is also really necessary for you guys. Okay, and you know what, the person sees this all, I don't know, but your person sees this all. He's very observant. He or she is very observant about you. Okay. And the person really wants to acknowledge you, that you can definitely come out of this burden and insecurity related to your career and finances once you start investing in some learning. Okay. And about the situation also that you have with him, do not completely put yourself into it. Okay. Go slow and um, Sometimes relationships can be distracting. So in this situation, you should give yourself also certain time, quality time to be with yourself. You should give time to your career, and then you should give time to your relationship. Just do not be completely out there, because then you will be deviating from your purpose, and that is something that universe doesn't want that to happen. And yeah, universe definitely wants you to put your burden down. Okay, enough is enough. So yeah, and while I end, I just saw 2022 on my time, like you can see on my phone. So that's a clear message that balance is going to be restored for the connection that you're in with. Okay, but it's a very good one. The person also wants you to know to just ease out a bit. Your person sees a lot of effort and hard work that you're putting day in and out. The person wants you to just ease out a bit. Okay. Yes. So that's the reading for pile number 1 and 2, current thoughts and feelings of your person. If you feel connected and if you felt that it was helpful, please let me know in the description box. You can go and follow me on my Instagram accounts. And if you feel connected, definitely you can go and book a private reading with me. Until then, I will see you soon. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and do let me know in the comment section if any particular question you have that you want me to pick in for my readings. Okay. Thank you so much and have a great day.